Vatava QVS, are you ready? Yeah! Victorians, are you ready? Yeah! QVS! Your boy Riley Suva 679 in the house. This song is dedicated to all the Victorian Old Boys, QVS students and QVS family. Enjoy. Here we